lows in the upper 40s. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Madison County, northeastern Bracken County, western Adams County in southwestern Ohio, southern Brown County in southwestern Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Georgetown, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Maysville, Georgetown, Ripley, Aberdeen, Augusta, Winchester, Decatur, Russellville, Hammersville, Dover, Higginsport, Cherry Fork, South Ripley, Lake Winoka, State Route 32 at US Route 62, Red Oak, Bradesville, Faithburg, Stony Point, and Bentonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.